Hello students, welcome to Show Sir classes. So in today's video we'll be solving question number 27. So in question number 27 it is given with perfect capital mobility, that is capital is mobile between countries, that is it is a case of open market economy. Okay, so in open market economy it is given that in open market economy it is given that a fixed exchange rate is effective, a fixed exchange rate is ineffective, a fixed exchange rate is ineffective. Now in effectiveness and ineffectiveness in terms of monetary policy. So now first we'll start with the first question, that is what happens under fixed exchange rate and what due to influence of monetary policy. So we'll take the case of fixed exchange rate and monetary policy. So under fixed exchange rate, what happens is that I write down a diagram . If LM curve due to money supply, increase in money supply, if MN curve shift to rightward, this is LM0, this is LM1. If it shifts to rightward, again it get back to the LM0. Now why does this take place? So we would conclude that monetary policy loses its effectiveness under the fixed exchange rate system. So under fixed exchange rate system, the monetary policy loses its effectiveness. So what happens? Why does this take place? Suppose under the system, the central bank increases the money supply through open market sale of securities. So suppose the government increases money supply by through open market sale of securities, through open market sale of securities. As a result, LM curve shifts to the rightward, that is LM curve shifts to the rightward, and if exchange rate was there, exchange rate has now fallen from E0 to E1. So exchange rate has fallen due to shift in LM curve. Now people of the domestic countries starts to sell domestic currency to central banks. So now the domestic currency being sold to the central bank. This will cause the money supply to fall. So this will cause the money supply to fall again. So as a result, the money supply curve or the LM curve will get back to the leftward, right? So we conclude that LM curve, the purpose of LM curve becomes ineffective in case of fixed exchange rate system. Now this will cause the money supply curve to shift back to the original position. Thus, by being committed to maintain the exchange rate At an announced level, the central bank loses its control over the money supply. A countryman can, however, adopt different types of monetary policy under the fixed exchange rate system. So, we have seen under fixed exchange rate system, the monetary policy has become ineffective. So, we'll go to the question again. So we'll conclude that under perfect capital mobility, fixed exchange rate monetary policy at influencing output becomes ineffective. So option B is the right answer for this. It is under fixed exchange rate system. This is LM curve, this is IS curve. Now suppose under fixed exchange rate system, we have found the LM curve. So this was the LM curve. Now when LM curve shifts rightward, the E falls initially, then again it gets back to this level. So you would say it is ineffective. LM curve becomes ineffective in case of fixed exchange rate system. So we would conclude for question number 27, option B is the right answer. So for question number 27, option B is the right answer. Again it gets back to its level, so the E remains constant at this level. So we would conclude for question number 27, option B is the right answer. So in today's video we solved MSQE PEP 2017 question paper, question number 27. So in the coming videos we will be solving other question from this paper. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt or query regarding this video, I will be giving you my number, which is 9836793076. It is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.shouravsirclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will get to see a lot of other links to crack MSQE PEP 2017 question paper. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.